The quickest way to change your air filter is go here, put the key in, open this toolkit side of the bike, and then take your toolkit out, take it out, keep it here, open your toolkit. Not really a one-handed operation, you see, and find your Allen key. This is the smallest Allen key there is. Keep it aside. Now come here, pull this out. Pull it out, and your seat comes off. Keep your seat here, and then take your Allen key, small one, put it in here, unscrew this screw, be careful not to lose it. It has a washer too, bring it along with it, keep it somewhere safe, and then here you just need to pull this out like this. Pull the left side out. Be careful when you do this. Yeah, it's a little bit of a push. See, you see this goes in there, and then there is this another fitting mechanism. These are your RR units, and this is your air filter. So for the air filter you need your screwdriver. Your screwdriver is out, the star side outside, and the minus goes in, and then you just start unscrewing this. The bike has done around 6,000 kilometers. Let's see if it's blocked or not. Or rather, it's, you don't really have a completely blocked air filter ever. Just depends on how the percentage of blockade that is. And then you still need to take it off completely like this. Since it's a one-handed operation, I might be a little bit slow. Yeah, so it's off. It comes off like this. The cover comes off. You put it here. The other screw is also there. This is your air filter. Let me get the new one. The new one is in here. Open up the new one. This is the new one. For comparison purpose, let's keep each of them next to each other. Old, new. Old, new. One can rather really feel the dark side out here. This one seems to be a bit bright. So now let's go ahead and put this in. Simple as it is. It just goes in like this, unidirectional. No big deal. And then you put this thing back in. You see there's a notch here. Ensure that this hole goes into that notch. Notch based fitting. Yeah, so I told you before, I've told you, Guys, it's not a one-handed operation, so let me, for the lack of proper filming equipment, I'm using my cell phone. Please excuse. Let's see. Now it's almost there. Rather, if I may say, the lack of proper filming mounts. That goes in there. And where's the other one? Yeah, so this goes in here. So all in all, just a 5 to 10 minute affair. Just take it out and then put it back in. And there you go. No need to over tighten it. Just ensure it's snug fit. The air filter is changed. Thank you for watching.